Imagine being part of one of India's most iconic companies, Larsen and Toubro Limited. Founded in 1938, this engineering powerhouse has been shaping the country's infrastructure and beyond. As an investor, you might be wondering what kind of opportunities this company offers. Well, let me tell you, Larsen and Toubro is a real estate giant, with a diverse portfolio that includes everything from building and factory construction to transportation and minerals. They've also got a sweet spot in the oil and gas industry, providing services for power generation and more. But what really sets them apart is their ability to scale up or down depending on market conditions. This means they can be a steady source of income even if the economy is slow, and a volatile one when it's booming. One thing you might not know is that Larsen and Toubro has been quite successful in recent years. Their stock price has risen by over 40% in just the past year alone. And with a market capitalization of over $5 trillion, they're definitely a force to be reckoned with. But what really stands out is their commitment to innovation and diversification. They've got several business segments, including IT and technology services, where they offer services like e-commerce platforms and semiconductor chip design solutions. And in the manufacturing space, they produce everything from valves to rubber processing machinery. It's a true industrial powerhouse. So why should you care? Well, for one thing, Larsen and Toubro is a master of reinvention. They've successfully transitioned from engineering construction to IT services and back again, demonstrating their adaptability and resilience in the face of change. As an investor, you can expect steady returns on your investment. With a dividend yield of 0.95%, they're generating profits for shareholders every quarter. And when it comes to growth, Larsen and Toubro has been consistently increasing its profit margins over the years, reaching a whopping 5.87% in just 1 year. But what really sets them apart is their focus on diversification and scalability. They've got multiple business segments that can be spun off into different companies or sold off to other investors, allowing them to manage risk and increase potential returns. And when it comes to valuation, Larsen and Toubro has been trading at a premium price, with a market cap of over $5 trillion. They're definitely one of the most valuable players in the Indian stock market. But as an investor, you'll want to be mindful of their debt levels and ensure that your investment is aligned with their long-term goals. So there you have it, Larsen and Toubro Limited, a true powerhouse of India's engineering and construction sector. With its diverse portfolio, steady returns on investment, and focus on innovation and diversification, they're definitely an exciting opportunity for investors to consider. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.